Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create and share YouTube clips. All right, let's begin. YouTube has a new feature called Clips, allowing you to share a 5 to 60-second section of someone else's video. Instead of sharing the full video, you can highlight just the part you want. This feature is available on most channels, such as YouTube's Creator Insider and Netflix. To try it, open one of these regular videos, not shorts, and look for the clip button below the video. Once you tap clip, a slider appears. Use it to choose a section from 5 to 59 seconds. Drag the bar to select the start and end points of your clip. After selecting the segment, scroll up and add a title. The share button activates only once a title is entered. Lastly, tap the share button and a pop-up window will appear on your screen. Now, to copy the link to your clip, click on the copy icon. This doesn't re-upload the video, it simply creates a separate shareable link. You can send this link via social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, or post it as a comment or community update. So that's basically how you can create and share YouTube clips. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.